Good morning. This is Doug from Doug's Dog Training and Daycare, and today we're going to do a little vlog on what goes on throughout the day with the dogs. So today I have a Mirror and Belle, baby Belle, and also I have little Ollie. Actually, he's the boss of the house. So I can't videotape putting on their leashes and stuff. Obviously, trying to hold on to a phone and also trying to secure their leashes. So I'll catch you on the outside. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Thank you. Come on, come on. Good girl, good girl. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, boys, come on. Okay, picked up. So where we're walking right now is on this side of the wood line is the back of Atlas Tack in Fairhaven. It's an EPA site. They were here, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago maybe. Cleaning up the pond in the back, the retention pond. I think it was originally like a retention pond that they polluted. And I don't know if you can see the back of the building that's left. Come on, here, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. All right. Come on, Finn. Baby Belle, come on. Let's go, Baby Belle. You and Ollie with the short little legs. Come on, all. Come on, bud. So this is the, oh, come on, baby. This is part of the garage. Come on, all. Come on, bud. And this is pretty much all that's left on the north side, which I believe was all office area. And you can see the front. We're going to take a walk over there and just walk through the circular driveway. Come on, let's go, everybody. Come on in. Come on in, man. Come on. So Atlas Tack was one of the big employers, I think probably one of the largest employers of Fairhaven back in its heyday. And this is what's left. Finn, come. And a circular driveway. I'll make sure that there's nothing on the ground that can cut their paws. What happened, Mirror? What happened? You see something in there? Mirror just kind of freaked out. Little parts once in a while, and Mirror's fear and anxiety comes out. Come over here, Mirror. Come on. I gotta fix your. Come here, Mirror. No, 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 no. Let me just fix that. Come here. It's okay. Once in a while, Mirror sees something or smells something or hears something, and she goes into her mode right away. But we get her out of it quick. We've done a lot of training. So that's the entrance. Ben, come on, let's go. Come on, Emma. Yeah, she's fine. Oh, that's what's left of Atlas Tack. And we're going to head back out to the street and finish our walk. Get you in a bit. Oh. So we're back on the street. We're going to head out because there's a couple of big labs coming. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Ollie, what a good boy, Ollie. Oh, I had it backwards. So come on, we're just gonna toss away. Toss away. Take a couple. Well behaved. Good doggies. So my poor Hammy's got to go now. One more pickup. And everybody's good looking at the doggies. Ollie usually, yeah. Oh, Ollie, come on over here. I don't want you too close to the street with that harness. Yes, sir, my man. Yes, sir, my man. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Finn. Come on. Finn, of course, Finn is like the opposite one. Maybe it's just that he's so much bigger. It's a little tougher to... Alright, so you don't have to see it. I don't think I had it see it, but... Pick up. Hammy's. And toss it in a... And I didn't embarrass myself by missing a foot away. Come on, Finn, let's go, let's go. Come on. Alright, everybody, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Beautiful Rogers School. Belle, where are you, Belle? Come on this side, Belly. Good girl. Here you are. Haha. Ollie. Ollie. Hi, bud. Amira. Good girl. Belle. Hey, they all know their name. Looks like a couple of Faven police. There's a car on the other side. Must be in Rogers School. Marine Resources is here. Mr. Tim Cox. Beautiful Rogers School. Sadly, the town couldn't afford to upkeep and for repairs, and we did build a beautiful school off of Scorner Connect. Take Rogers School place and other schools. So. It's Our Lady's Haven. It's a beautiful building too. Beautiful grounds. Does everybody want to jump up on the wall and walk with Ham? Go ahead. Hup. Go ahead, Ollie. Go ahead, Ollie. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ollie. Come on. Hup. Hey, that boy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on, Bill. Come on, Bill. Hup. Good girl. Hup. Atta girl. All right, let's go. Almost followed the leader. two girls together. Ollie holding up the rear. Hamlet on point. And we got the squad leader. I don't know if you can see it. Just above the 3 windows up there says Rogers School. A beautiful building. Alright, let's go. Come on, all. Okay, everybody, come on up. Up. Come on, up. Up. Gradimer, up. Good girl. Come on, Belle. Up. Leashes are tangled. Come on, Belle. Up. Good girl. Up. Good girl, Belle. Sit. Yeah, good girl. Amira, bang. Yes, good girl. Play dead. All right, Ollie, sit. Finn, stay. Sit. Good boy, all. Well, that was a down. We'll take it. Hamlet, Platts. Yay, good boy. Just praise today. No treats. Amira, come on, sit. Come on, sit. Good, sit. You're a good girl. You're a good girl too, Belle. All right, gonna grab your leash. Come on. And you're a good boy, Ollie. Look at you. Laying down like a good man. Come on, let's go. Ham, hold on. Hamlet, come. Hamlet, come. Good boy. Catch you in a bit. Go ahead, go ahead. Thank you. Come on, let's go. I let her go. I know you didn't hear me, but she was asking me to go first, which was kind of her, but I let her go. Come on, everybody. With the nod of a head. With a camera in one hand and 5 leashes in the other hand. Not so easy. Not so easy to ask somebody to go ahead, but thank you anyways. I know I'm just rattling off. Maybe you'll enjoy it, maybe we mute it, I don't know. Maybe somebody will comment on this video and tell us what you like and what you think I can do to improve. Obviously, equipment's going to be a big part. Like I said, getting a nice quality gimbal. That's important. Right now I'm using my neighbor's selfie stick that he let me borrow. The other holder broke. It was, I think, he gave it to me. I think he said it was a $5 or less than $5. I don't know. So I do look forward to suggestions, constructive criticism. We'll catch you in a little bit. So Ollie just had to do his business. Pickup time. I'm purposely talking about pickup time because our town is a beautiful town, and we have great people in this town and wonderful people in this town, just like any other city or town, but we also have some very rude people that let their dogs poop, whether it's on the bike path or people's lawns, and don't pick up after. You know, I understand if you run out of a bag and you maybe have 2 or your dog isn't feeling good and goes more than you could hold with the bags. I mean, that's understandable. I mean, that's happened to me, and a couple of times there were neighbors out, so I asked if they had a bag, if I could get a bag to pick up, but that's understandable. But there's just so thin. 9. Almost pulled my socket out of, my shoulder out of my socket. But you know, like that, poop right on the ground. You know, rude. Can't pick up after themselves. Finn, heel. No, heel. Good, heel. Amira's like, oh, I thought that was beef to heel. Come on, Amira. So yeah, I'm a stickler for people not picking up after themselves. It's kind of rude. Very rude. It's disrespectful. It's dirty. And it's the law. It's my neighbor AJ. AJ and EJ. I'm sorry, AJ and EJ. Do a beautiful job with their perennials and shrubs. And that house too is beautiful. I forgot to show you that one next time maybe. Nice landscaping. I used to have great landscaping, but as you get older and things change, your priorities change. And sometimes you let things go that you should kind of stick with a little bit, but it is what it is. My normal excuse for things that I don't do. So we're coming back home. I'm going to let them in the backyard, take off the leashes, put them in the backyard. I got 2 bowls. They get fresh water, and I change it whenever needed, sometimes quickly. It stays in the shade. It gets moved throughout the day if they're outside. So, oh, hold on, everybody. Stop, Finn, stop. That was my fault. Bag stuck in there. All right, let's go, everybody. You're all tangled up. Okay, let's go. We're going in the backyard. Come on. Come on, let's go. Hamlet, come. Hamlet, come. Take off the leashes. Good boy, Ham. Come on, all. Come on, Belle. Come on, all. Belle, come. Oh, good girl. Come on, baby. Good girl. Can I take your leash off? Good girl, huh? Good girl. Come on, Amira. Come. That's a good girl. She's a good girl. That's the Ree, huh? Oh, good girl. Leash is off. Come on, all. All right, let's go. We're going in the back. Come on. Come on. Come on, all. Good boy. Come on, all. I know you want to go in with AC, huh? We're not going in right now, but he's like, Doug, I'm mad. I'm going to tell my mother. You're making me hang outside. All right, come on, all. Good boy. You're the man. You're the boss of the house. All right. So 1 bowl I had just filled up before we left. That's 1 bowl, and guts to get the other bowl. Let me try that with 1 hand, huh? Okay, got it. That's one of Ham's favorite corners. He likes to dig. I got like 3 holes in my yard all of a sudden the last couple of weeks. Because my wife lets him do anything he wants. He's a spoiled one. He actually does it. He lays in there to keep cool. Okay, fresh water, everybody. My other hole, there's another hole. And then on the other side towards that corner, it was hot and he dug. Okay, nobody in the pool yet. We got to get life vests. Life vests, everybody, life vests. Okay, all? You got to put your life vest on. Belle, you got to put your life vest on. Look at the mirror. Come here, mirror, come. Good girl. Yeah, we're going to go in. All right.